The NWS extension identifies a Microsoft Outlook Express Newsgroup message file containing saved Usenet Newsgroup messages. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you open, convert, or recover these Newsgroup message files. Near the end, we'll discuss the essential features of a professional-grade NWS file inspection tool that supports hundreds of other formats as well. NWS files are Newsgroup message files from Microsoft Outlook Express containing individual Usenet Newsgroup posts saved in standard internet message format. They store the complete message, including headers, body text, and any MIME-encoded attachments from Usenet discussions. Microsoft Outlook Express NWS files use standard RFC 2822 internet message format, storing message headers including from subject date newsgroups and message ID, followed by the message body in plain text or MIME multipart format. To maintain file fidelity, use Microsoft Outlook Express developed by Microsoft Corporation to Open NWS. The file's loose formatting rules mean Windows cannot validate its structure. Windows supports only minimal email preview features, so proper reading relies on specialized apps. Open the menu by right-clicking your NWS file and choosing Open With. Test Microsoft Outlook Express if it's there. If it's absent, select another application. Different apps handle the NWS file differently. If the NWS file hasn't opened yet, take a breath. Let's get the technical grounding straight. Before we jump to the universal solution, let's look at the specific reasons this NWS file is failing to load. First, opening the file. Rename the NWS file to EML and open in any email client including Microsoft Outlook Thunderbird or Windows Mail. The standard message format is universally recognized by email applications, allowing viewing of the newsgroup post content and any attachments. Next, viewing in text editor. Open NWS files directly in any text editor to read the message content. Headers appear at the top, followed by the message body. MIME-encoded attachments appear as base64 encoded blocks that require decoding for access. Finally, migrating newsgroup archives. Convert NWS newsgroup archives to modern formats by renaming to EML and importing into Thunderbird or other email clients. For bulk migration, use email conversion tools that process multiple NWS files into MBox format for organized archival. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. Having exhausted the troubleshooting methods for your file, you might need a dedicated universal file viewer. FileMagick is the industry leader in bypassing these issues. Download now at filemagick.com. If the problem is solved, please show your support by liking and subscribing right now.